Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 11.3, 11.4 and 11.5. See that question number 1. Make up a many expression with number no variable as you can from the number 5, 7, 8. Every number should be used not more than one. Use only addition, subtraction and multiplication. So here that number is 5, 7, 8. So we can write 5 multiply 7 multiply 8. That one we can write 5 multiply 7 minus 8. This one also we can write like this. Many more we can write like this. Second question, which of the following are expression with number only? So that C and D, because here is not given the English alphabets. English alphabet is not given here in C and D, and other places there is given the English alphabet. Identify the operation addition, subtraction, division, multiplication in the form of following expression and tell how expression has been formed. So that third A, that is first is given addition, z plus 1, that is addition. In the second part, that is given subtraction, and then is given addition, and then given subtraction. It means where you are looking that plus, then you will write addition. Where you are looking that minus, you will write the subtraction. For V, that first there is given 17y, that is a multiplication, and then that is given upon, so division. That is next, that again 5 is given multiply, so multiplication, okay, and then CD you can do, no problem will be there. Give expression for the following cases. Fourth A part, 7 added to P, 7 plus P or P plus 7, both are the same thing. That B, 7 subtract from P, so that P minus 7, and then C, P multiply by 7, 7P. D, that is P divided by 7, so P upon 7. E, that 7 subtract from minus M, so minus M minus 7. Then F, minus P multiply by 5, so minus P multiply 5. F, G, that minus P divided by 5, so minus P upon 5. H, P multiply by minus 5, so that P multiply minus 5. And then question number 5, that give expression in the following cases. 11 added to 2m, that is also same type of question. 2m plus 11. B, 11 subtract from 2m, so 2m minus 11. And then C, 5 times y, which 3 added, so 5y plus 3. D, 5 times which, from which 3 subtracted, 5 times y, from which subtracted 3, so 5y minus 3. E, y is multiplied by minus 8, so y multiply minus 8. F, y is multiplied by minus 8, then 5 added, so minus 8y plus 5. G, y is multiplied by 5, subtract from 16, so 16 minus 5y. H, y is multiplied by minus 5, then result added to 16, so minus 5y is equal to 16. Question number 6. A, from expression using T and 4, use not more than one number operation. Every expression having t in time. So how you will be write that? You will be write this thing 6(1) A part. We will apply the t and 4 and then we will write the many more things like this, t plus 4 and then t minus 4 and then 4t and then t upon 4 and then similarly 4 plus t, then 4 minus t, then 4 upon t. B, from expression y 2 and 7, express every expression have y in it, use only two number operation. These should be different. These should be different. That is, here we will apply that b 2y, that will be 2y plus 7, similarly 2y minus 7, similarly 7y plus 2, similarly 7y minus 2, and then so ever you can write that. Okay, so ever you can write that. And then exercise 11.4. 11.4 is also here. 11.4. The Sarita present age to be y year. What will be the her age 5 year from now? First, that is A, first part. So Sarita age is y 5 year from now. That age will be y plus 5. Second, what was her age 3 year back? So y minus 3. Third, that Sarita grandfather 6 times her age. What are her grandfather age? So grandfather age will be 6y. That is third part. Fourth part, that grandfather is 2 years younger than grandmother. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandmother. What is the, so grandfather age is 6y and then minus 2. Fifth, that Sarita father is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So 3y plus 5. And then B question, the length of rectangular hall is 4 meter, less than 3 times the breadth of, or what is the length? If the breadth is b, so that 4 less 3 times, so 3b minus less is there 4. C part, a rectangular box has height h centimeter, its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the boxes of that one. So that the length is 5 times. So 5H, and then breath is 10 less, so that H minus 10. D part, Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the step to a hilltop. Meena is at top step S. Beena is 8 step ahead. Leena 7 step behind. What was the Beena is the total number of step will be here 10 less than 4 times the Beena age. Read express the total number of step using S. Using S. So that will be that question number 1. So that will be that S plus 8 first of all, then S minus 7, and then 4S minus 10. 4S minus 10. A bus travel at V km if it is going from Daspur to Bispur. After the bus has traveled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 meters away. What is the distance from Dispur to if using the express using V? So that is 5V plus 20. 5V plus 20 km. And then question number 2. That is question number 2. Change the following statement using expression in the statement of ordinary language. Ordinary language, that is, a book cost P. A book cost 3P. A notebook cost is P. A book cost is 3P. 3P. So that we will write the ordinary language. A book cost 3 times. दूसरा second number, a book cost 3 times the cost of a notebook. Cost of a notebook. Similarly for B we will write that Tony, that is Tony, yes, Tony's box contains 8 times the marble on the table. The marble on the table. And then here you will see that this means we are writing this thing in ordinary language. The third is total number of students in the school. Total number of the students in is 20 times that of our class. That of our class. The D is Jaggu uncle 40 times older than Jaggu. Jaggu's uncle is 4 times older than Jaggu and Jaggu auntie is three time years 3 years 3 years younger than his uncle and then E number, the total number of dots is 5 times the total number of dots is 5 times the number of row. That will be the question number 3. Given Meena age of x, can you guess what x minus 2 may show? Think the Meenu age is younger than. Can you guess x plus 4 may show what? X plus 3x plus 7 may show. Give Sarita that. It means that is only that imagining think of that one. Like this, given Sarah age today to be y year, think of her age in the future or in the past. It means you will be think in the future age will be increase, in the past that age was decrease, so that you will imagine of that thing. Okay, and then 11.5. now that 11.5 you will be see that 11.5 that state with the following equation, give reason for your answer, identify that variable from the expression with a variable. Show that we will write the variable, so that is 1a, that variable is x. For that variables we will write here only, that is in second there is no variable, third there is no variable, fourth also, D also, E has x variable, F has x variable, and then G has m variable, H has n variable, I has no variable, J has p variable, K has y variable, L has q variable, M has that is no z variable, N has no variable, O has x variable. It means where you are looking the English alphabet, that is a variable. Okay, that is question number 2 you will complete in your book, that is 10y is equal to 80. So y is equal to, that will be 10, no, that will be 8, yes, that will be 5, no. So that 4L is equal to 20, so L will be 20, no. L will be 80, no. L will be 5, yes. b plus 5 is equal to 9. That 9 minus 5, 4. So that 4 answer will be that. So b is equal to 5, no. B is equal to 9, no. B is equal to 4 is right. So like this you will be do. Pick out the solution of the value given in the bracket next the each equation, so that other value do not satisfy the equation. So that third question, A part, that is 5m is equal to 60. So m is equal to 60 upon 5, 5 12 ja. So that is m is equal to 12. So that is a 12 answer. B part is that n plus 12 is equal to 20. So n is equal to 20 minus 12, that is 8. So n value is here 8. C part, p minus 5 is equal to 5. So p is equal to that 5 is same, and this will be go that side, that will be 5 plus 5. So p is equal to 10. So here answer is 10. So D, q upon 2 is equal to 7. So that will be cross multiply. So q is equal to 7 multiply 2. So q is equal to that is 14. So here answer is 14. E number, r minus 4 is equal to 0. So that r is equal to 0 minus 4. So that is r is equal to 0 plus 4. So that is only 4. And then F1, x plus 4 is equal to 2. So x is equal to, these are the same, and this will be go that side. So x is equal to minus 2. So that is minus 2. Question number 4. Complete the table and y expression of the table, find the solution of the equation, that is m plus 10 is equal to 16. So m plus 10 is equal to 16. For that one, fourth A, m plus 10 is equal to 16. So m is equal to 16 minus 10. So that is m is equal to 6. So in that answer is 6. B is that 5t is equal to 35. So t is equal to, this is given in multiply. So after the, when we will interchange that thing, that will be divide. 5 7 ja. So t is equal to 7. So here you will be take 7. And then C is there. Z upon 3 is equal to 4. So Z is equal to 4 multiply 3. After the interchange, divide goes to multiply. So Z is equal to 12. So that is a 12 answer. And then D. Here we will see that D part. D part is that m minus 3 is equal to 7 is equal to 3. So m is equal to 3. These things same, and then after this one, that will be this. So m is equal to 10. So here you will be apply the 10. Solve the following riddles. You may yourself construct such riddles. So first of all, first part, that will be go round a square counting every corner thrice and no more at the count of me to get exactly 34. That will be 34. It means this is the activity type of question. You can do activity at home and then you can get the answer. Okay.